Millions of Americans struggle with insomnia, the inability to fall asleep or stay asleep throughout the night. It can leave you feeling exhausted, irritable, and unable to function at your best. While prescription medications exist, many people turn to natural solutions like melatonin to improve their sleep. But to get the most out of it, understanding how melatonin works and what it can and can't do for your insomnia is crucial. This video will delve into melatonin, its effects, and how to take it safely and effectively to combat your sleep problems. Melatonin is a hormone manufactured by the pineal gland, a tiny structure located deep within your brain. Melatonin production is heavily influenced by light exposure. As darkness descends, melatonin levels begin to rise, signaling to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Conversely, exposure to light in the morning suppresses melatonin production, promoting wakefulness. Melatonin is synthesized by the pineal gland from a building block called tryptophan, an amino acid commonly found in protein-containing foods like meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, nuts, seeds, and beans. The conversion of tryptophan to melatonin is a multi-step process that requires specific enzymes and helper molecules known as cofactors. These cofactors include folate, vitamin B9, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and potentially zinc and magnesium. Ensuring a balanced diet rich in these nutrients can support your body's natural melatonin production. While your brain naturally produces melatonin, the amount can vary based on several factors. Age. Melatonin production tends to decline with age. Gender. Women may experience fluctuations in melatonin levels due to hormonal changes. Genetics. Some people are genetically predisposed to lower melatonin production. Lifestyle. Habits like sleep schedule, light exposure, and stress can impact melatonin levels. The good news: you can naturally support your body's melatonin production and promote better sleep. Get some sunlight. Getting morning sunlight helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Sunlight triggers serotonin production, a precursor to melatonin, setting the stage for nighttime melatonin production. Eat tryptophan-rich foods. Include foods rich in tryptophan, an amino acid converted to serotonin and then melatonin. Examples include chicken, turkey, bananas, and peanuts. Take a warm bath. A relaxing warm bath can lower cortisol, stress hormone, and create a drop in body temperature, mimicking natural sleep preparation and potentially boosting melatonin. Limit artificial light. Limit exposure to artificial light, especially blue light from electronics in the evening. This helps prevent melatonin suppression and promotes a sleep-conducive environment. Melatonin supplements mimic the natural hormone, offering potential benefits for various sleep disturbances. These include jet lag. Melatonin can help regulate your sleep-wake cycle after traveling across time zones. Circadian rhythm disorders. Individuals with conditions like blindness may benefit from melatonin to establish a regular sleep pattern. Delayed sleep disorder. This sleep disorder is characterized by difficulty falling asleep and waking up later than usual. Melatonin can help shift your sleep schedule earlier. Shift worker sleep issues. People who work night shifts often struggle with daytime sleepiness. Melatonin can promote sleep during the day. Sleep-wake cycle problems in children with disabilities. Melatonin may be helpful for some children with disabilities who experience sleep difficulties. Melatonin is readily available over-the-counter in various forms, including tablets, capsules, gummies, and liquids. Two primary types exist: synthetic, man-made, and natural, derived from animal glands. The synthetic version is generally preferred due to potential contamination concerns with the natural form. Always check the product label or consult a pharmacist if unsure about the type of melatonin in a supplement. For optimal results, a low melatonin dosage is recommended. Begin with a small amount and gradually increase if necessary. The timing of your dose is equally important and depends on the specific sleep issue you're addressing. Jet lag. Take melatonin upon arrival at your destination at your desired bedtime. Some studies suggest starting 3 days before your trip can ease jet lag symptoms. It's important to note that melatonin is most effective for eastward travel. There's limited evidence for westward travel adjustment. Night shift workers. Take melatonin at the end of your workday, but never before driving home to ensure alertness. While melatonin may be helpful for improving sleep in children with certain conditions like autism and ADHD, consulting a pediatrician before use is essential. The long-term effects of melatonin on children are not fully understood. Additionally, melatonin use in children can cause side effects such as drowsiness and increased urination at night. Always discuss the potential benefits and risks with your child's doctor before administering melatonin. Taking melatonin at the wrong time of day can disrupt your natural sleep-wake cycle, worsening sleep problems. Additionally, melatonin use can cause side effects in some individuals, including nausea, dizziness, headache, drowsiness, and irritability. Melatonin is not recommended for certain groups, including pregnant or breastfeeding women, people with autoimmune disorders, seizure disorders, or depression. Melatonin can also interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, antidepressants, anticonvulsants, blood pressure medications, diabetes medications, birth control pills, and CNS depressants. Always consult your doctor before starting melatonin to discuss potential interactions with medications you are currently taking. Melatonin supplements can be a valuable tool for improving sleep, particularly for addressing specific sleep disturbances such as jet lag, circadian rhythm disorders, delayed sleep disorder, shift worker sleep issues, and may even benefit sleep in some children with disabilities. However, it's crucial to remember that melatonin is not a cure-all for sleep problems. Consulting a healthcare professional to identify the underlying cause of your sleep difficulties and explore treatment options is essential. Remember, proper sleep hygiene practices like maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensuring a dark, quiet sleep environment are all crucial for promoting quality sleep.